Welcome back. Today we're talking about a massive shift in how you can take control of your finances. myEcon just dropped 5 brand new membership options because everyone's financial starting line looks different. Maybe you need to fix your credit, or maybe you just need a better way to track business expenses. First up, the Elite CashFlow Shifting Membership for the full experience at $99.95 setup and $69.95 a month. If you're looking for the core essentials, we have the CashFlow Shifting Membership at $49.95 setup and $49.95 a month. For the travelers, there's the Zingo Travel Membership at $39.95. If credit is your focus, the My Credit system is just $29.95. And for those who just need to get organized, the CashFlow Manager Membership is only $19.95 setup and $19.95 a month. The best part? Every single one of these now includes the CashFlow Manager. It's about giving you the tools to track every dollar. Associates, head over to your homepage right now to see the new lineup. Get familiar with the power of choice. Whether you're ready for the full package or just want to start tracking expenses, there's a seat at the table for you. The point is simple: start where you are and grow from there. Your financial journey is uniquely yours. Take control of your future today. Visit myEcon.life to get started. We'll see you at the top.